What are issues with provisional ballot training for election poll workers? Have you ever wondered why provisional ballots can sometimes create confusion at polling places? The training for election poll workers on provisional ballots has several challenges that can impact voter rights and access. Let's break down some of these issues. First, many poll workers do not fully understand the procedures involved with provisional ballots. They may struggle to identify provisional voters, confirm eligibility, or provide the correct ballot style. This lack of clarity can lead to improperly completed provisional ballots, which might get rejected during the counting process. Next, the training methods used can be inadequate. Often, sessions relying heavily on reading from manuals without offering hands-on practice. This means poll workers might not feel prepared when they face real-world scenarios on election day. They need to know how to set up equipment and manage provisional ballots under pressure. Another issue is the lack of standardized procedures and materials. Without clear written guidelines and examples of completed forms, poll workers may be uncertain about how to handle provisional ballots consistently. This inconsistency can lead to errors in ballot handling and affect the overall integrity of the election process. Time and resources for training are also often limited. Training sessions can be short and have large class sizes, which reduces the chance for individual attention. This makes it harder for poll workers to practice and internalize the procedures they need to follow. Moreover, training often focuses on activities for election day but does not adequately cover what happens after the polls close. This includes the review and curing of provisional ballots. If poll workers are not trained on these post-election processes, it can lead to mishandling of ballots and affect whether they are counted properly. Poll workers may also face challenges when dealing with special cases. For example, they might not know how to manage provisional ballots for voters affected by court orders or those who refuse electronic voting. Without clear guidance, they may mishandle these ballots. Lastly, accountability is key. Poll workers sometimes overlook important steps, like ensuring that provisional ballot envelopes are fully completed. Training needs to stress the importance of accuracy and following procedures to avoid mistakes. To improve training, election officials can develop comprehensive standard operating procedures. Incorporating hands-on practice with provisional ballot forms and equipment can also help. Providing visual aids like flowcharts can make the process easier to understand. Overall, ensuring poll workers understand their role in protecting voter rights and maintaining ballot integrity is essential for a trustworthy election process. By addressing these training issues, we can help ensure that provisional ballots are handled correctly and that every vote counts.